Today we're in Riviera, Nayarit, touring a 5-bedroom residence set within one of the most exclusive resort communities in Mexico. Welcome to One&Only Mandarina Private Home 32. I'm Regina from Riviera and Nico is behind the camera, and we're excited to take you around. Come along with us as we explore this home. Set along Mexico's Riviera Nayarit, One&Only Mandarina has quickly become one of the most recognized luxury destinations in the world, featured by Condé Nast Traveler, Vogue, and Forbes, and awarded 3 Michelin keys, the highest distinction in the Michelin Guide for hotels, making it one of the very few resorts in Mexico to have received this recognition. It's also been included in the 50 Best Hotels list, further positioning it among the top luxury destinations globally. This home was designed by Rick Joyce Studio, an award-winning firm known for creating deeply site-driven architecture. Based in Tucson, Rick Joyce's work is all about material, light, and how a space connects to its surroundings. And you see that throughout, from the Brazilian Kumaru wood to the 30-foot ceilings and this retractable skylight that brings natural light into the center of the home. With over 12,500 square feet of indoor-outdoor living space, panoramic ocean views, and full access to resort amenities, the home is designed to feel both expansive and intimate at the same time. The main living area opens completely through floor-to-ceiling glass doors onto a panoramic balcony, offering stunning views of the Pacific Ocean. The home features 5 expansive bedrooms, 3 king suites, and 2 double queen guest bedrooms, each one with its own private outdoor space and spa-like bathroom, designed for complete privacy and calm. Outdoors, you have this expansive living area offering stunning views of the Pacific Ocean, an infinity edge pool set nearly 150 meters above the ocean, surrounded by jungle. There's a full outdoor living setup, sunbeds, dining area, and a wolf grill. Just off the pool, stairs lead you down to the media room and a fire pit lounge. And the home is fully serviced with a private chef, butler, housekeeping, along with service quarters and a garage for 2 cars and 2 golf carts. As a homeowner here, you have access to everything One&Only Mandarina offers, from Carao, an elevated Mexican dining experience by Enrique Olvera, to Alma Restaurant, centered around fire and local ingredients. A spa set within the jungle, equestrian and polo facilities, beach clubs, and a 9-hole golf course designed by Greg Norman, all designed as part of a much larger ecosystem. If you'd like information on availability or pricing for this property, you'll find all the details in the description below. And if you like these luxury villa tours, don't forget to subscribe so you can stay updated on our latest properties across Mexico. We hope you liked the tour. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.